Good old XRP. In this video, I'm going to show you why Ripple and XRP are a complete waste of time for you as an investment. I'm going to do some technical analysis and then I'll get right to the point with it. And then you can decide based on this video and other information you have. So XRP Ripple has a current market cap of 33 billion. It's one of the highest in the whole of the crypto space, which is the first issue. The significant gains in this particular coin have already been made. And I remember over the last few years, people are talking about $10, $20 XRP. A few years ago, I was even saying that it had the potential to go that high. But then I became wiser. Right now, the price of XRP is 63 cents. But let me tell you something incredible. The price way back in May 2017, so like 6 years ago, was 44 cents. And then the price in December 2017 got back to the same price it is now. So literally it's done nothing. If you've been in it for 6 years, watching all kind of bull markets come and go, it's done literally nothing. So what are you doing? It begs the question. Now, I don't mind a bit of XRP because in 2021, I got involved in this move up and it was good. It did really good. But then I got the hell out of there and I'm not interested in jumping back in at all. There have been a couple of times when I've dabbled at it, but I am a swing trader, so I might keep positions sometimes for only a few days and then move on if nothing's going on. But really, this message is to those of you who are long-term holders of XRP. This, for some reason, and I've heard from people I know who know bankers and stuff, for some reason, there's some secret narrative out there in the world that you should hold XRP long-term because at some point, something major is going to happen with XRP and it's going to be the next best thing, especially in the banking space, and it's going to moonshot basically. That's all well and good, but remember when some price goes up, it doesn't go up a million X in a day. It goes up over a period of time. So even if it did start breaking out and you missed that initial 5 or 10% move, you just get in the day later or the day after that. You can set up alerts if you want to, if you're that obsessed with XRP. And if you type in XRP, let's say you go to Twitter and you type it in. By the way, if you want to follow my account, I'll link it in the description below. If you type in XRP, you'll see that there's loads and loads of random quote articles and stuff like that. And yeah, it's all very interesting. There's a lot of drama about it. But at the end of the day, the price is not going up. You only make money if this goes up and there's a few green candles and then maybe a few more. And then you might sleep a little bit better knowing that your bags have moved. Now, if you held this forever and you just don't want to take a loss, also, what are you doing? Because you could sell, take the loss, put it in something else, 2x that, and then come back in here when it's actually doing something. So the fact that there's loads and loads of articles and news and everybody's talking about it doesn't mean anything. The same as Bitcoin. It doesn't mean you should be investing in this. You should be investing in things that go up, at least sometimes. And that's the other problem with XRP. Compared to a lot of the other coins, it's one of those coins that literally when it does go move up, it just trends the least amount of time ever. So basically, let me show you. So where we are now in December 2023, let's mark off May 2022, or maybe even earlier, all the way to February 2022. So 2 years, 2-year time span. There's like 2 days there. By the way, each of these candles is a day, and there's a day there. So there's like, what, 5 days I actually went up? Like, what the hell? I mean, go up in any kind of significant way that would actually make some improvement to your trading account. These little 1% moves and up and down are not doing anything. Now, the way it's setting up, if we get this kind of curved move, and if it keeps going and it starts attacking this level at 90, and it starts attacking that level with some strength, obviously, interested, we'll get a breakout. You'll make a little bit of money. But there's nothing on this chart, shockingly bad chart, that says this is going to go to $10 or $20. And even if it did, like I said, it will go in stages and you can get involved. I'm only interested because it's one of the late movers and it's a good one to rotate into if it still has any steam. And really, over the last 6 years, it's been losing a lot of steam. Like, which bull market crypto coins do you know that in the first leg of a bull market do nearly $4 and then the second leg only $2 and now can't even get to $1 now? Which coins do you know that do that? Which Bitcoin cycles do you know where Bitcoins gradually every single bull market cycle going lower and lower and lower. It's madness. Now, yeah, you could argue that it's some massive million-year consolidation that's going to break out. Don't see it. Like look at the data. It's literally there in front of you. The probability of XRP ever doing anything over let's say $2 is nil. Like, it's very close to zero. The probability of it doing a little move, once it gets to 90 cents, if it can grind up there and then doing a quick push up to, $1.50 and stuff before then collapsing, yeah, that's greater. Maybe 10-20% if it could get to 90 cents. But again, is it even worth it? The biggest pain, like the worst thing, apart from holding on through a bull market, like a lot of people did with Sandbox, etc., and then losing 90%. What's worse than that? What's worse than that is being in a coin that's going sideways. Yes, you're not losing money or gaining money, but everything else is going up 300%. So in my opinion, that's just as bad. You've lost a lot of money by sitting in here when you could have been sitting in something else, like Avalanche or something like that. Even Ethereum, I'm not a big fan of Ethereum, but it's grinding up a little bit. At least you're getting the odd day when it does like 2% rather than XRP's 1%. So if you've been involved in crypto for a few years now, so basically if you've been involved in crypto more than 12 months and you're in XRP, then you really need to do some more research and do some more learning. Go through your trades, go through your trades from before, go through the ones that actually did well for you, and try and work out what your plan is with this. Write down, like, what do you expect XRP to do and what needs to happen. And don't tell me that, the court case is just around the corner and as soon as they win the court case, it will go up. No chance. The opposite will happen. So if it leaks that they may be winning a court case, you'll get a run up. And then the second they announce it, that's the top. That's the top. Not the beginning, that's the top. How do I know that for nearly 100% certainty? I know that because with every other coin and every time in crypto we've ever had any kind of significant news is usually marked the top, not the beginning. When Coinbase does this and that and it's finally announced, usually that's the top of the market. That's when the final crazy retail people start FOMOing in and everybody who's experienced is out of the door. That's a door there. And they're all gone. Now, if you're invested in XRP and you believe this is completely wrong what I'm saying, tell me in the comment section below why I'm completely wrong about this and prove to me why this coin that has done literally nothing for 6 years is suddenly going to blow our minds in the next few days or weeks, and me and every other sane person is completely wrong about XRP. Thanks for listening.